Hello guys, good afternoon to all of you. This is Mike Padua and we are back right here at our latest tropical weather analysis. This is for today, Thursday to Saturday, September 15 to 17, 2022, and this is brought to you by Typhoon2000. Let's begin with our English version. This is the latest GovSat that we issued early this morning. As you can see, we have three tropical cyclones right now, as the two systems will be gone within the next 24 to 48 hours. MiMaRoPa has already made landfall over eastern China, passing in the vicinity of Shanghai yesterday, and is now over Jiangsu province of eastern China, and the winds is dropped below typhoon intensity as it moves across the eastern portions of China. And it is likely to become a part of a frontal system within the next couple of days. Meanwhile, MiMaRoPa is still a typhoon, but already transitioning into an extratropical cyclone or middle latitude cyclone. Meanwhile, the one that we are monitoring right now is severe tropical storm Nan Madol. It's just a tropical storm last early this morning, but it's now a severe tropical storm, eyeing to become another typhoon within the day, and is expected to enter the northeastern corner of the Philippine Area of Responsibility tomorrow, Friday. But it is just a short-lived system within PAR. Maybe it will just persist within 6 hours, and it will quickly move out of the PAR without any effects to our country. But the presence of these three systems will continue to slightly enhance the southwesterly surface wind flow or weak Habagat, bringing some rains and thunderstorms, particularly across MiMaRoPa, Western Visayas, and also western sections of the Bicol region, but not all the time, okay? These are isolated to scattered rain showers and thunderstorms that will persist through the weekend. So the chance or the risk of flooding or landslides will remain low to medium. Okay, so watch out for lightning strikes, possible flooding, and landslides when we have severe thunderstorms occurring on your respective areas. Overall, the weather across the Philippine Islands will remain fair, with some cloudy conditions in the afternoon or evening, and isolated rain showers and thunderstorms as well. Here's the fast animation from University of Wisconsin Tropical Cyclone page. As you can observe here, the three cyclones are still there, but MiMaRoPa or Inday is now dissipating as it moves more to the north, becoming a part of a frontal system, and also this typhoon MiMaRoPa, which is also becoming a frontal system or an extratropical cyclone. Nan Madol is slowly moving or accelerating towards the west-northwest, approaching the northeastern corner of the Philippine Area of Responsibility. The southwest monsoon or the southwesterly wind flow will remain weak, but bringing some thunderstorms across portions of MiMaRoPa, Western Visayas, and also affecting some portions of Zamboanga Peninsula and western sections of the Bicol region. And if we take a look at the tracking of the Asian agencies on MiMaRoPa, there you go. It will continues to move across eastern to northeastern China, while Nan Madol is expected to become a strong and a large typhoon with winds of 185 kph, and expected to briefly enter PAR tomorrow morning, and maybe in the afternoon or evening it will eventually exit PAR as it moves across the northern portions of the Ryukyus, northeast of Okinawa, and likely to make landfall over Kyushu Island in western Japan around Sunday or Monday, and it is expected to remain as a minimal typhoon or even a severe tropical storm as it makes landfall over Kyushu Island along western Japan. And here's the zoom-in satellite animation from windy.com. You can clearly see here the cloudiness generated by the southwesterly surface wind flow. The upper level winds are restricting the rain bands of this monsoon over Sulu Archipelago, Zamboanga Peninsula, MiMaRoPa, These are isolated and scattered ones, so it's not widespread, becoming more intense over Kalayaan Island Group and the rest of the spot list. So please take all necessary precautions, people living down there across the Kalayaan Island Group and also across MiMaRoPa. While the whole of the archipelago will remain fair with isolated rain showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon or evening. Here's the rainfall accumulation forecast for the next 3 days. As you can see, most of the rain bands most of the rain and thunderstorms are concentrated across MiMaRoPa and the western sections of the Visayas, including some portions of Western Bicol region, Western Samar provinces, and Western Leyte for the next 3 days until Sunday. Okay, and before we leave you, here's the latest new look global tropics hazards outlook from the Climate Prediction Center. This is valid for the next 2 to 3 weeks, so there's no longer 1 week forecast since the 1 week forecast is now happening. So for week 2, valid September 21 to September 27, there is still a medium chance or more than 40% probability of a tropical cyclone formation to the south of Japan, east of extreme northern Luzon. And there's also a 50% or greater probability of above average rainfall across Bicol region, MiMaRoPa, and the portions of Luzon because of this potential tropical cyclone formation. After Nan Madol, there will be another formation to the east of extreme northern Luzon, but not a threat to our country. So just the monsoon situation will be expected here. So it's still at more than 50%. So it's at 50-50 chance. Okay. And on week 3, valid September 28 to October 4, the northern portions of the Philippine Islands, particularly over Luzon, will have more than 50% of above average rainfall. But again, on the 3rd week, the probability will remain medium to low. So there will be more changes on this forecast. So there you go. That's the latest for this Thursday. And we will return on Saturday to give you more updates on the weather. From Typhoon2000, this is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always. Be #weatherwiser. And thank you so much for watching our channel.